hot point dishwasher won't drain. So I'm guessing at some point someone took this little orange ball out of this hole. It's supposed to be in there. It's $22 for this tiny little ball. But if that ball ain't in there, it will not drain. So if you're sitting here looking at a hot point dishwasher wondering why it won't drain, check that. And if it is in there, then this piece that's connected to it right here, see what it does is when it goes to drain, it sucks that ball up to this hole and it plugs that hole. So it's sucking water. And then when it's not, it's circulating water. So this goes back on here, right through the spindle there. Get this little peg lined up right here. Sometimes when you take this off, that rubber comes back on, but it clicks right back into place. But now it's back in there. It's got one screw that goes right here. Just go back on. Maintenance tutorials with shitty cameras. My hole screwdriver was a little bit long for this, so I did that. And then I'm going to put this screw back down. Actually, I didn't even have to take this out to replace the filler bulb. I didn't even have to take these out. So look. But I searched the internet forever. I finally found one video for this filler ball right here. But hot point dishwasher. Like, that's what it looks like right there. Let me get all my shit out here. And then to put the spindle back in, like, it just goes pop, and it's in there. But alright, anyways, that's the hot point dishwasher won't drain. If you're dealing with other things where strainer baskets or, you know, the strainer's got shit in it or whatever, that's different videos. But this one specifically was for that filler ball.